Good morning, traders. How are your mornings so far? The market has not been really good this morning. The market was down over 700 something points. And almost all the stocks are down right now, but actually Bitcoin has been kind of hovering right there and it's coming back up. Take a look at that. The Bitcoin has been flattening out, which is a good sign considering that the market was down over 700 points earlier. And now we're kind of moving, inching back up. Bitcoin may have bottomed out. Look at that. Let's start with the dailies. Look, it had a couple of wicks down. It formed a couple of wicks and then it came back up. It may have bottomed out. Got the smaller time frame. We're actually seeing it come up a little bit. It was down at 82 a little bit ago. 30 minutes ago, down at 82. See that? Draw that out for you guys. It flattened out right here. Right there. Now it's coming back up. A lot of the other charts are showing the same. Solana, Ethereum, they all trade together. They all look the same. The pattern look the same. XRP actually had a little pop this morning. It popped from like 230 all the way to 250, 252, which is good. Maybe the SEC dropped its case. Take a look at that later. They look at them. They all look the same. Cardano. All right, let's look at the stock market. Let's take a look at the stocks real quick. S&P. It wicked down right here, a little wick. It almost went down to the moving average. Coming back up a little bit. We get a small bounce, maybe shorts covering. These kind of days are a good opportunity for people to start looking at stock that they want to build a long-term position for. We need these kind of drawdowns in the market. That way you can start buying good companies. Look at Tesla. Lost odds gains already from November, the Trump trade since the election. PLTR. Came back up. It's building an area right here. I drew the little box right here. Area of liquidity. It kind of bounced off this area right here. Miners, Bitcoin miners. SoFi's not looking too good. Next level is $12. Robinhood, next level is around $40. When they're in between these little moving averages, right in the middle right here, it's kind of risky to get in a position. They usually go down to the next moving average before they bounce. This area right here, you see this area, so it might bounce around here. There's a lot of buying and selling right here. MicroStrategy is kind of bouncing off the. It came off the 200-day moving average the other day, and it rallied up and kind of came back down. It looks like it might have bottomed out, just like Bitcoin. Rivian's not looking too well. It could free fall down to $9. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA went down right in the pre-market, down to 109. And it bounced right off the moving average right there. That's the 300-day moving average. You know, over the last 2 years, it priced in all the AI stuff right now. It's coming back down. I mean, if you want NVIDIA for the long term, you can start buying a little bit right here. But if it goes down into the 80s, you can start loading up in the 80s too, because it has potential to go down to the 80s, guys. I've been doing this for a long time. The market has these cycles. Stocks get hot and then they don't get hot anymore, and they start going down just like Nvidia, like AMD. 200 last year. Now look at it. It's at 100. Start buying a little bit right here. Shopify. Not looking well. We might get the afternoon bounce. Well, guys, start watching all your stocks that you want to buy for the long term. Start putting in alerts. Okay, put in those alerts. If it hits those prices, you can start buying a little bit. But the market still may have a little way down. Look at the spies. All right, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll be back in the evening for another update. See you guys later. Good luck trading.